bro, this is just for 300. It had so much fragrance that my underarm got irritated and invite them to shower with you to demonstrate. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Singhania and today we are going to review the brand Chemist at Play. I have tried 5 products from this brand and let me tell you, I am not disappointed. You need to try them out, but before that, just hear me out. I'll keep this video very short, I promise. I'll start with my favorite one, which is body lotion. This is from the range hyaluronic acid. Now this also has rice water, oatmeal and polyglutamic acid as the main ingredient. I'm telling you guys, you have to try this. Nobody is talking about this body lotion as of now. I have not seen one single person and you are going to love this. Bro, this huge tube is just for 300 rupees. Can you imagine? And I got this, I think, at 200 rupees, which is insane, and it smells amazing. Even men are going to love this. It does not smell like very sweet. It has a very unisex smell because you hyaluronic acid range hai, to na hi sweet hai na wo hai. It smells very fresh. In fact, my friend got hooked onto this. वो एक दिन आई थी and she was like, what is this smell? What is this body lotion? And she tried many more products from this brand. She's tried even more products than I have from this brand. It's a huge tube. It's literally exactly similar to the Bath and Body Works का जो body cream आता है, and you end up paying what, 1800, 1900 or maybe 1200 depending on the sale they have. It's that huge just for 150, or at the max you'll get it for 200 rupees, and even if you get it for 300 rupees, I'm telling you, you need to try this. It smells amazing. It blends in your body very easily because I am a very lazy girl when it comes to applying body lotion. So I don't like creams जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा blend करना पड़ रहा है अपने body पे. But this one will blend very easily. मतलब ये तुरंत आपकी skin में sink हो जाता है. Also, it's not heavy. It's just the perfect amount of moisture. बिल्कुल perfect amount of moisture where you will not feel that it is sticky or heavy or you're sweating at all. You will never feel that. Plus, it's so travel friendly. I know it's huge, but it is very travel friendly and it's steal for the price. You need to get this. The next is the body wash from the same range. I don't have it right now here with me, but I have it at my mom's house, my in-laws house, and I love it. It smells obviously similar to the body lotion and it has a very gel-like texture. Even men are going to love it. Shubham loves it, and again it's very pocket friendly. What else do you need? Body wash say it's gel, amazing for summers, and yes, if you use both these products on the same day, you are obviously going to smell fresh for a very long time. Third product is again a body wash, and this one is quite famous from this brand. It is one of their best sellers. It is from their exfoliating range and this has got 4% lactic acid, salicylic acid and vitamin E. First of all, I love the packaging, 10 on 10 for 8, because it's very different from the usual body wash ki packagings, and the blue one also is very similar. It just has the blue dhakkan, and the dispenser is also good. It is like this. When you press onto this, this is where the product comes out from, and this one again smells amazing. It smells very nice. I love the smell. Plus, this is an exfoliating body wash, which means if you are someone struggling with strawberry legs or you want to exfoliate your body, you can use this body wash. But also do not use this every single day, because then you will end up over exfoliating your skin, end up with rashes and what not other things. But I use this specially because I also suffer from back acne, and I also use this before my waxing routine so that it gets rid of the ingrown hair, and also it, exfoliating anyway helps before waxing, so I apply it before that. But post waxing, do not apply this body wash at all. Since this is an exfoliating body wash, it has got those small beads which is going to be very harsh, or waxing ke baad to anyway you need to calm your skin down. Otherwise, smells amazing. Again, affordable AF. This retails for just 400 rupees. And yes, एक बहुत ही interesting बात है, इन्होंने directions to use में ये लिखा है, we don't need to tell you how to use a body wash, do we? If you really don't know how, then we suggest you find someone you really like and invite them to shower with you to demonstrate. That's not an option, then here's what you do. And then they have explained that you can, take it on the loofah and use it. So I really love how creative they are on the directions to use, and I love this body wash so much that I also included this in my bridesmaid hamper that I created for all my girlfriends. So yes, you should definitely give this a shot. The fourth product is again a body lotion from the same range. I do not have it with me right now, but again it smells exactly same as to how the body wash smells. Again, if you're going to layer both the things on the same day, the smell will linger on for a very long time, but it applies on the body lotion as well. That do not apply it every single day. I mean, if your skin is very like normal thick, then okay, maybe you can, but I would still say no. And given that I have very sensitive skin, तो मैं तो इसे daily apply नहीं करती हूँ. I use this like alternate days are also fine because it is not that exfoliating. But yes, be careful, but definitely give this a shot. And the last product is their underarm roll-on. Now this one is exfoliating roll-on which has 5% AHA. It helps control body odor and prevents underarm darkness. This one is again very viral and very hyped, and guys, it is worth the hype. It actually prevents darkness and it is amazing for your underarms. Even if you have sensitive underarms, you are going to love this because I have got very sensitive underarms. मेरी पूरी body ही sensitive है, be it my scalp, face, underarms, body. So anything that I recommend is definitely sensitive skin approved. So to prevent darkness, you definitely have to use it continuously. But because I have got very sensitive underarms, I did not use it every single day. And yes, it did prevent my underarm darkness. I'm telling you, I never had underarm darkness ever, but I used this very hyped Plum ka roll-on, which says vanilla vibes and it smells great, and everybody was raving about it on internet. I used that, and guess what? It had so much fragrance that my underarm got irritated. It was very itchy, and then slowly it started to get dark. So that's when I discovered this. Also, I have it in fragrance free version because anyway sensitive hai. It's not like my underarm can't tolerate fragrance. I have other roll-ons which are fragrant obviously, but इसमें मैंने fragrance free version लिया था because it is an exfoliating one and I did not want to take a chance. I used this and guess what? My underarms are back to normal. So if you are someone who is suffering from pigmentation, do give this a try, but make sure to alternate it with other underarm roll-ons. And yes, one more thing is that it does not stay on for a very long time like the Dove deodorant sticks or the Nivea roll-ons. I feel that it stays for maybe 3 to 4 hours. Also, because it is a fragrance free version, it does not smell very nice. It has a very chemical like thoda sa, not pungent, but you know how generally acid smells. So वैसी fragrance है, and even if it is a fragrance free version, it does control odor, so don't worry about that. And again, this retails for just 299 rupees. And Chemist at Play, by the way, they always have this sale going on where you can get 3 products under 800 rupees or 700 rupees. So they always have amazing sale, and I think these are the best affordable products from this brand. I love it. Not even one product has disappointed me ever. And yes, इनके पास काफ़ी सारे दूसरे variants भी हैं body wash and body lotions में, but I have not given it a try yet. Especially, I'm never going to try the vitamin C one because my skin goes crazy अगर मैं vitamin C का कुछ भी apply कर लूँ. तो मैं वो तो definitely नहीं try कर रही हूँ. अगर किसी ने ले लिया तो शायद एक बार एक बार ऐसे ही ट्राई करके देख लूंगी, बट आई विल नॉट बाय इट. बट या, these 5 products you can just close your eyes and place the order for them. And yes, finally we're coming to the end of the video. I hope this video was very short. Let me know if you have tried any of the products from this brand, and let's chat in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye.